Welcome to CapdetWorks version 2.5, Tutorial 2, Customizing Costing Parameters. To begin, we will open the file we saved in Tutorial 1 by clicking File, selecting Open from the drop-down menu, and choosing Tutorial 1 to open. In this tutorial, we are going to alter the costing values in CapdetWorks. The first set of values we are going to change are the unit costs. To do this, we click Cost Data and select Unit Costs from the drop-down menu. In this example, we will change the building costs to $100 per square foot, the wall concrete to $400 per cubic yard, the slab concrete to $300 per cubic yard, and the electricity costs to 15 cents per kilowatt hour. Under the Financial tab, we will change the interest rate from 8% to 6%. Under the Other Costs tab, we will change Engineering Design Fee from 15% to 10%. After making these changes, click the Estimate Cost of Current Layout button to recalculate the cost of our plant. Once the cost has been estimated, note the changes to the cost bar. Next, we are going to check the default values associated with some equipment. For this example, we will right-click on the Complete Mix Activated Sludge and select Edit Complete Mix Activated Sludge Parameters from the pop-up menu. If we go to the Equipment tab and we hold our mouse over the price of a slow-speed 20 horsepower aerator, the default value and the historical index value pop up in a tool tip. Noting both of these values, click Cancel and then select Cost Data from the taskbar. Select Cost Indices from the drop-down menu, and the Cost Indices window will appear. Here, we will change the Marshall and Swift index to 1420. Then, to document the change, click the paper icon to the right and type Tutorial 2 Example in the pop-up window. Click Accept to save the note. We will also change the Engineering News Records Cost Index to 8,000 and write the same note as before, Tutorial 2 Example. This is done to remind us of the reason we altered the index. We then go back to the Complete Mix Activated Sludge window by right-clicking and selecting Edit Complete Mix Activated Sludge Parameters from the pop-up menu. Under the Equipment tab, we hold our mouse over the cost to bring up the tool tip. The default value has changed to 20,500 and the MAS index value is now 1420. We click Accept when we are done. In CapdetWorks, users can create custom equipment cost databases. Go to Cost Data on the taskbar and select Equipment Costs from the drop-down menu. In the Equipment Costs window, click the button to the right with the plus sign to create a new database. Name the new database Tutorial 2. The costs are now editable in the new database. In the Find field, type slow and click the search button. The result is slow speed, pier mounted 20 horsepower aerator. Here we can change the cost of this equipment and the value of cost index. We will change the cost to 22,000 and the value of cost index to 1420. We now click Accept to save our costing changes. To select this newly created database, we click the down arrow beside the Equipment Costing Database drop-down menu. Select Tutorial 2 from the list. We then click the Estimate Cost of Current Layout button to utilize our new costing database. Also note the changes in the cost bar. We can check the results by right-clicking the Complete Mix Activated Sludge process and selecting Edit Complete Mix Activated Sludge Parameters from the drop-down menu. Under the Equipment tab, we hold our mouse over the slow-speed aerator price and note the updated price. It now says the default price is 22,000. The last task we have to do in this tutorial is to save our layout. Click File on the taskbar and select Save As from the drop-down menu. We will save this layout as Tutorial 2. This completes tutorial 2 of CapdetWorks version 2.5. Thank you for watching this CapdetWorks tutorial. If you are interested in our other software products such as GPSX for wastewater modeling and simulation, ToxChem for predicting toxic fate and emissions, or WattPro for drinking water treatment modeling, you can visit our website at www.hydromantis.com.